We've added more flexibility for how you can handle paint and cleaning systems and estimating in Tekla EPM 2020i. So if I go to maintenance estimating and look at the paint maintenance, I can see that on the first tab I have the paints. So in this case I have 3 paints that are already set up. Um, we now have this paint system tab, and I can create different paint systems. So for example, my standard prime red, which is our default, which means any new estimate will assume that this is the paint system on, and it includes that red oxide paint. I also have a paint system for a 2-coat epoxy system that includes my 2 primer top coats. So I can customize my paint systems and I can set a default that will be used by new estimating jobs. Can also go to estimating clean maintenance. So here something new is that we can add a new cleaning type. Previously, these clean types there were only 10 of them, so you'd have to rename one. So I can do a new, and if I click on Clean Systems, I can now add a system that has multiple different types of cleaning. So here, for example, I've made a test clean system and it includes SP1 and SP5. And just like we could in Paint, I can set a particular clean system to the default for all estimates. So more flexibility in the way we handle painting and cleaning.